Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Susan's Resto. We are waiting for our order. So, may bago dito kasi ngayon ay Valentine's. Marami silang papuso effect and tiyan. And meron din silang to the moon. Ganda ng view sa labas. Kasama ang kanilang papuso effect. Nabubulong na tayo. Ganyan talaga pag matanda na. Ay! Andrew.
Hollywood.
So, ayan. Oh, Bollywood. Nakikita namin yung Bollywood. Pero hindi kita sa video. Wala.
And they're also building the house.
Yeah, and they are building the other part of Susan's. Susan's. Ano ba yan? Umayos ka nga.
Mommy.
Dila.
Mommy.
Yes. Oh? Why?
Ano?
Ano ang problema mo, Andre? That is the La Trinidad Valley. Kitang-kita dito. Kitang-kita mula dito.
Mommy. Mommy.
Yan, bago dito. Oh, may palaros na. Catch me if you can. And this is my clubhouse. So yummy with my coffee. And Andrew is eating also her roast chicken. And Tito Junior, Mars chicken. Oh, laki ng subo. Oh, pero mas malaki ang subo nito. Kalain mo yan? Si Anding versus Tito, mas malaki ang subo ng maliit. Oh. Charan! Yummy. How to eat like this? Okay, ni konti. Hi, what's your problem? Masarap ng pipino mo lang, pipino lang. It's for guys, ay kanan 100. Yummy is my order. You don't want my order, but you are picking.
I was joking.
Yeah, because my order is really yummy. You share your lechon to Tito. The lechon.
Your lechon, I cannot cook. I eat the fruit.
Ang ganda ng posisyon. 1, 2, 3. Wait pala, wait. Hindi maganda.